Are you looking for a 2-story floor plan and a 55 plus community which features a lot of amenities and a super convenient location and has ample space for you and your guests? Well, today's model is just for you. It's coming up right after the intro. Hey residents, welcome back to the channel. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, working with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley, looking at builder model homes as well as existing inventory to make your next shopping experience for your next home all the more easy. If this is the first time we've met on this channel, I really appreciate you stopping by and checking it out. If you do like this type of content, consider becoming a resident by smashing that subscribe button as well as that bell notification so you don't miss a single tour when I upload on Fridays. And on today's tour, we're headed back out to Summerlin into the Shea Homes community of Trilogy. This is a 55 plus community. The model we are looking through today is the Radiant. It features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the base floor, as well as 2 lofts in the second floor, giving you ample space for you and your guests to entertain in. That second floor does have an optional 3rd bedroom if you chose to, as well as a 3rd bathroom. That would be a really nice area if you have guests staying with you. And it has that balcony right there as well. But without further ado, let's not waste any more time and get out there and get this tour started. Come on. All right, residents, welcome back out to the beautiful Trilogy built by Shea Homes out here in Summerlin in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today we are looking over the Radiant model. This home does feature 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms, an optional double loft or a 3rd bedroom upstairs, has a 2-bay garage, all featuring 2,505 square feet starting at $528,990. Now, Trilogy is a 55 plus active community over in Summerlin in Las Vegas, Nevada. The HOAs are a little bit higher here because you do get a really nice clubhouse as well as a guard gate community. The exterior of the home is taken care of as well as the roof. The HOA just for the community is $479 a month, and Summerlin is $48 a month, making $527 a month altogether. There are 13 floor plans in this community to choose from, so there is no shortage of options. As we approach the front door, you are greeted with this beautiful little courtyard. This courtyard is 8'6" by 12'3". The pavers you're seeing are included. That said, let's just go ahead and go right on inside. Now when you come into this model, you are greeted immediately into the kitchen through the front door. To the right is the 1st bedroom as well as the powder room. They have it built out as an office at this time. There's the stairs to go upstairs, the great room, the dining room. There's a small patio outside there. But let's look over the kitchen here first. This kitchen does measure 13'6" by 13'1". You do get 36-inch upper cabinetry in a white color. It is going to be a shaker style with 6-inch bar pulls. You also get a granite countertop of your choice. They did upgrade this to a quartz countertop in this particular kitchen, and you do get a 6-inch backsplash included as well. They did upgrade the backsplash in this kitchen also. You do get a single basin, stainless steel undermount sink, just like the one pictured right here, as well as a Moen single handle pull-out faucet. And as far as the appliance package goes, you're going to get it from GE. It'll be stainless steel. You'll get a 30-inch gas cooktop with a 30-inch self-cleaning built-in oven, a microwave, and a dishwasher with hidden controls. I really love the cooktop that they have in here. There's the microwave. This one in particular is a dual built in with the oven there. Coming out into the dining room now, I love how they have this table set up. However, just to the left here, they do have the cabinetry extended out here. This cabinet right here is meant to be your pantry. And to the right there, I would like to make that into a bar just to the right there. You do get the sliders that are both on the dining room side as well as the living room side. The dining room is 11'5" by 18'5", and the great room is 11'11" by 16'0". As far as the flooring goes in this house, you do get carpet throughout with the exception of the wet areas. You're going to get a 18 by 18 inch ceramic tile in the kitchen, the master bathroom, the entry, the guest bathroom, and the laundry room. Back here is the first bedroom. This bedroom is 10'7" by 13'7". I like how they have it built out like an office here. It does have that small walk-in closet there, as well as its own bathroom right here. This is a full bathroom. The bathroom is a full bathroom with the composite shower tub combo. If you want to do just a shower, I'm sure you could definitely do that if you'd like. Coming out of this bedroom now, we're going to spin around here and check out the powder room. You get a pedestal sink in here. And then coming around the corner here, just down to the hall to the right here, is going to be the master bedroom. First, we're going to take a peek into the laundry room, which is just to the right here. Just to the left right there was the entrance to the garage. The garage is 20 foot by 20 foot 4. This laundry room does have that counter space on the back. The sink there is an optional upgrade, as well as the uppers are going to be an optional upgrade as well. It is a gas dryer hookup. There's a really convenient coat closet right here. I would love to have a nice drop zone right there. I think it would be perfect. And then coming into the master bedroom here, this bedroom is 13'9" by 13'6", and the master bathroom, which is quite large, is 10'4" by 14'11", and your master walk-in closet is going to be gigantic as well at 14'11" by 5'7". Isn't this a beautiful bathroom? I love the drop-in tub there. It is absolutely gorgeous. And then the backsplash that they have on the wall there is absolutely stunning as well. You do get the dual vanity sinks there. It is a walk-in shower as shown. And I love how they did the tiling. It's really, really clean look, isn't it? And if you guys are finding value in this video or enjoying the tour, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video when I upload on Fridays. Let's jump back into it. Going on with the floor again, you do get 3 1/4 inch baseboards. You have the option to upgrade that at the design studio if you chose to. I do like that size of baseboard. I think it's just about right. And throughout these homes, I like the square baseboard that they put in there rather than having an overly decorative one. It's much easier to maintain. It's easier to clean. You don't have to worry about the nooks and crannies like you do on the fancier baseboards. As far as the light throughout this home, all the lighting is going to be LED lighting, with the exception of the laundry and the garage, which you're going to get fluorescent lighting. You're also going to get decor light switches, which are the rocker switches that you see right there. And let's go ahead and head on upstairs. Now upstairs is really, really interesting in this home. You do have an option of either 2 lofts or a loft and a bedroom with a bathroom. So as this home is built out, it is built out with the loft and the bedroom. This loft that we're looking over right now is 16'8" by 14'6". The deck right there is 9'9" by 16'1". And the bedroom, as I have it built out, is 12'5" by 18'1". However, if you did want the second loft instead of the bedroom bathroom combo, it would be 16'1" by 18'1". Certainly is a nice view from the second floor, isn't it? Unfortunately, you won't be able to be guaranteed that view. Just the way the lots are in this community, there's other communities around the area that are 2-story as well, so they can't guarantee that view. Some of the other features in this home, you are going to get 9-foot ceilings throughout this particular home. You are going to get the Shea Connect package, which has a Wi-Fi router, the Amazon Echo Show, the Ring Video Doorbell, a Wi-Fi garage door, a Wi-Fi thermostat, all those fun features to make your home really truly yours. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys, the option of the double lofts I think is kind of odd. There is no bathroom upstairs if you do go with that option, so I don't know why you wouldn't go with the bathroom and the bedroom option here. At least you get that extra bedroom, you could increase the value of your property, and you have a really nice guest space as well. You'll still have that loft as well as the balcony upstairs. It'll be perfect for your guests when they come to keep it separated from you and them. Well, residents, what do you think of the Radiant model? What would you do on that second floor? Would you leave that ample entertainment area, or would you add that third bedroom and third bathroom upstairs? Let us know in the comments below. I'd like to personally thank Darren and Kelly, as well as the entire Shea Homes team, for having us out and preparing a little lunch for us, as well as showing us through these beautiful models and helping us get these videos prepared just for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Be happy to find out those answers for you. If there's something specific around the Las Vegas Valley that you want to see me tour, just let me know in the comments below. Be happy to get out there and tour it for you. But as always, I appreciate you guys stopping by and touring with me all the way till the end of the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
Get me out of here.